with beans.
I got a lemon. It's also been slithered in somebody else's mouth.
Everyone does it really, really, really like disgustingly. I almost got it.
You gotta remember which one you're gonna eat out of.
Is this going on YouTube? Take it back! Take it back!
No, those are the used ones. Stop.
I know.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's yours.
Different color bowl or something. Yeah.
Green and red.
Stop!